Hi guys, welcome back to our channel CA English, CA Foundation, Business Max, Chapter 1, Exercise 1, Section B. We are going to see the next exercise from these videos. Okay guys, let's get into the video. And the first sum of the video is the fourth proportion to 4, 6, 8 is what? They are asking to find the fourth proportions. They have given 3 numbers. Just you want to know the basics to found the proportions. Okay. First, if you want to found the first proportion, let take the first number n as x, next 4, 6, 8. If you want to 8, okay. If you want to find the second proportion, take 4 as first, second as x, and third as 6, and last as 8. If you want to find the third proportion, take 4, 6, and third position as x, then 8. Now we want to find the fourth proportion. That means what is the formula? Fourth proportion is equal to 4, 6, 8, x. This is the formula for fourth proportion. Now we want to convert into ratio. Okay, just write 4 is to 6 is equal to 8 is to x. Multiply with the alternative numbers. Okay, just multiply like this. If you multiply, the answer will be 4x is equal to 48. Therefore x is equal to 12. That's the answer. Easy sum. Option A. And the second sum is the third proportion to 12 comma 18 is. Just we want to find what is the third proportion. Just write third proportion implies 12 comma 18 comma x. Okay, then the write into ratio. Okay, 12 is to 18 is equal to 18 is to x. Just we want to multiply with alternative numbers. Okay, therefore 12x is equal to 324, and the answer is x is equal to 27. That's it. Option B. Okay. And the third sum is the mean proportional between 25 comma 81 is. Just you want to know first what is mean. Okay, mean means mean is equal to middle term. Okay, mean means it is a middle term. Just we want to find the middle term between 25 and 81. Okay, just write it 25 comma x comma 81. As usual, take it in ratio. 25 is to x is equal to x is to 81. Okay, just multiply it. If you multiply, it will be x square equal to 2025. If you convert the square to this side, it will be in root. Okay, 2025. Therefore x is equal to 45. Answer. There is another method in this sum. Just I to solve that method also. Okay, there is a formula for b equal to root of a into c. Okay, just multiply. This is a and this is c. This is a, b and c. Just we want to find b. Therefore x is equal to root of 25 into 81. Therefore x is equal to root of 2025. Therefore x is equal to 45. Simple. And the option for this C. Fourth sum, the number which has the same ratio 26, that 6 has to 13. They are asking to find the number. We can take the number as x. Okay, but the two ratios are equal. They are given the sum because they has the same ratio. Okay, now take it into a ratio. X is to 26 is equal to 6 is to 13. This was given in question. Okay, therefore cross multiply it as like what we do. Okay, therefore 13x is equal to 156. Therefore, x is equal to 12. But the answer was not in the book. Okay, D, none of this. Simple. The fourth proportional to 2a, a square, comma c. Just we want to find the fourth proportion as like we found in first sum. Okay, just write in order. Okay, for fourth proportion implies 2a comma a square comma c comma x. X is the term we want to find. Okay, just write it in a ratio. 2a is to a square is equal to c is to x. Okay, then 2ax is equal to a square c. That means we are multiplying. Okay, as usual. Then bring the x. No, place the x in this side. Then a square c divided by 2a. Okay, and there is a to cancel. We can cancel it. AC is divided by 2 is the answer. Option A. Sixth question. If the four numbers 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by x are the proportional, then x is. Just they want to know what is x. That is a question. Okay. In this sum, we are going to handle some other method. Not much different, but a simple method. Okay. Just write it in a divide. 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 5 the whole divided by 1 by x. Just bring the 1 by 3 to here. It will be reciprocal into 3. Okay. 3 by 1. Not to collapse you. 1 by 5 into x by 1. Okay. Just multiply it. It will become 3 by 2. This will be x by 5. Then cross multiply it. 2x is equal to 15. Therefore, x is equal to 15 divided by 2. That's the answer. Option C. Seventh sum, the mean proportional between 12x square comma 27y square. It is very easiest sum, mean proportional sum. Okay, just we can do this sum with our formula. Okay, b is equal to root of a into c. Just we want to find what is b. Okay, b is equal to 12x square into 27y square. Just extend the root up to what? It became collapse when somebody correcting your answers. Okay, be careful of that. If you multiply 12 into 27, 324 x square y square. Okay, now take root for 324. The answer will be 18. The square and root will be cancelled. This square and this root will be cancelled. Okay, therefore x square. Okay, it's the simplest way to solve the answer. The option is C. If A is equal to B by 2 equal to C by 5, then A is to B is to C. They are asking to find what is A is to B is to C. Okay, just we in this sum we know what is the value of B and C. Just we want to find the value of A. Okay, the value of B is 2. Okay, is given. B is equal to 2, C is equal to 5. Then we want to find A is equal to what? Okay, it is very easy. X is to 2 is to 5. In the denominator of A there will be 1. Therefore the answer is 1. 1 is to 2 is to 5. That's the answer. So C. Ninth sum. If A by 3 is equal to B by 4 equal to C by 7, then A plus B plus C divided by C is what? They are asking to find A plus B plus C divided by C. The values are given here. Just simple. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 7. Just apply the value. 3 plus 4 plus 7 divided by 7. 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. Option C. If P by Q equal to R by S equal to 2.5 divided by 1.5. The value of PS is to QR is. Okay, it's very simple sum. Okay, you don't bother about this value. Okay, that value is not needed for us. Just take P by Q is equal to R by S. Just cross multiply it. PS is equal to QR. Okay, the value of PS is 1 and the value of QR is 1. Therefore, answer is 1 is to 1. Okay, simple sum. Okay guys, we will see in the next video. If you don't subscribe our channel, please do subscribe to our channel for the regular videos and regular update this for the CA foundations. Okay guys, we will see in the next video. Bye, take care.